I just had Claude research a business, analyze their entire website, read their Google reviews, and write 5 personalized cold emails. It took me under 4 minutes, and I didn't have to type a single one. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use Claude Computer in order to do this as well. This is Claude Computer use in Claude In Chrome, 2 features from Anthropic that let Claude actually control your computer and browse the web. I personally use this every day to run my AI agency, so this isn't some sort of theory video. I'm going to walk you through the actual workflow that I use to build prospect databases for clients. By the end of this, you're going to see exactly how Claude researches a business, personalizes 5 cold emails based on that research, and saves everything to a spreadsheet, all without me doing anything except telling it what to do. All right, here's the task that I gave it. You can see this prompt in my chat window. What I want Claude Computer to do is open the prospect spreadsheet, find Flater Plumbing on row 38. It's then going to research their website and write 5 personalized cold emails. That's it, one prompt. In the top right corner, you can see the 6-step plan that Claude is building before it executes anything. It's reading those skills, opening the spreadsheet that I asked it to, researching the website that it needs, writing emails, updating the spreadsheet, and then verifying everything. Claude planned the whole workflow before executing even a single step. Now Claude's going to move on to the research phase. First thing Claude's going to do is it's going to read its own skill files that I previously set up. It has a cold email writing skill, a voice and tone guide to make sure that the emails sound like they're coming from me, an Excel skill for working with spreadsheets, and it's going to load its own playbook before it even starts. Most people write cold emails by guessing what to say about a prospect. Claude just read their entire web presence. Therefore, every email it writes is going to be referencing real details that prove you actually know their business and took the time to look them up and learn about who they are and what they do. Now Claude's going to take all that research and write 5 personalized cold emails. We can see here how it personalized each one. Email 1 is going to open up with that 1918 founding, 4 generations on Central Street, the Fortune magazine feature. Email 2 has that speed to lead stat. Email 3 is a case study. Email 4 is a clean breakup email, which acknowledges multi-location operations, mentions bar by name. And then email 5 is a fresh subject. Claude even checked its own word counts. Email 2 and 3 were over target based on the parameters that I set. So it went back and tightened them. Quality control built right into the workflow. And there we have it. All 5 emails written, personalized with real research done by Claude in Chrome, and saved directly into the spreadsheet. Row 38, Flater Plumbing is done. Now think about scale. This is just for one prospect. I have a database with hundreds of prospects. I use the same workflow to get the same quality. Claude does the research, writes the emails, fills in the spreadsheet for every single one. If you found this useful, please subscribe. I'm going to start putting out videos like this every week for business owners and founders who want to see how AI actually works in practice.